The Buick Y-Job was a revolutionary vehicle that ushered in the modern concept car. It was the creation of GM's legendary designer Harley Earl. It was named the Y-Job because it was one step beyond an experimental X car. It embraced the essence of his design philosophy, low and streamlined. Its design would drive the design of GM cars well into the 1950s. Earl actually drove it as his daily driver throughout the 1940s. Let's take a closer look using our 1/18 scale model. The car's futuristic aesthetic was so ahead of its time that in 1948, a newspaper reporter spotted Harley Earl driving the Y-Job on a Detroit street. The reporter was so fooled by its advanced styling, he published a story claiming they had caught a secret glimpse of the 1949 Buick prototype. The Y-Job paved the way for many of the dream cars of the 50s and 60s that continued to captivate enthusiasts. Check out our many video tours at our virtual auto museum.